Hi guys, so today we are going to organize this room. Okay, we have already organized half of it, but we are still midway. So let's see how we sort it out. So we have made 4 baskets, one for the keychains, magnets, blocks and Legos. I think we'll need more baskets to sort out the toys. Let's see how it goes. So we have added one more basket for the soft toys. Okay guys, Hot Wheels take a lot of space, so this will go inside the cupboard. We are still cleaning. I just feel like throwing away half of the stuff, but my kid is not letting me do that. Let's see. Guys, so now let's arrange the final stuff.
मेरा तो पैर दुख गया।
It's been 2 hours guys and still the work is on.